organizations already have enterprise risk management that identifies what are risks in the business and what controls mitigate those risks. That already exists in large enterprises. Technology organizations already have certain control paradigms that they use. Things like, am I SOC2 certified? SOC2 being a security and operational control framework that evaluates, does this company have people, process, and technology controls to reduce the risk of this system having problems, right? Mm-hmm. And then there's also like ISO standards that sort of look at in the hardware space as an example, is there a good production of this product? Are there controls in place to try to reduce this product being produced with flaws or things that can cause harm? So depending on your industry or geography, there are already many understood methodologies for managing risk, right? And those methodologies already have concepts of people oversight, process oversight, and objective verification of the person who bakes the cake. Right. Really simply. Can't be the person who also says the cake tastes amazing, right? The person who builds the car doesn't make sure the car is built correctly. The person who writes the software doesn't necessarily say that their software is perfect, right? These are understood practices, but they're not always being applied in data science because in many ways, we're just moving past data science and ML being an R&D exercise. And so you have these isolated teams that have been tasked with solve really hard problems and build really exciting new experiences and capabilities for our company and our stakeholders. But we haven't built a lot of that organizational control into those teams yet, right? And so those would be examples of there are likely enterprise risk management stakeholders that could wrap their heads around what are key risks that this project is creating. Here are some controls I'd like to see somebody evidence. Now, how you do it, maybe it's in paper, maybe it's automated, right? But what are those risks and controls? An organization could reasonably develop based on how they already manage risks today, a lot of the key pillars of working towards a more safe, a more fair, a reasonably transparent system.